Have Abdul Karim from the US on the line. Abdul Karim.
Oh, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Can you
Wa
hear me?
alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, is it permissible to run a business where you do home cleaning and there's a possibility of the woman or man being alone with the opposite gender, but you don't know that? Is it permissible to run that kind of business?
Basically, we have to be optimistic and positive. We cannot keep on putting hurdles and obstacles in our path, otherwise we would never ever progress. We have to improvise. If I were to say, is it permissible for me to drink my green tea, knowing that probably maybe there's a snake inside or some venom or something harmful, if I think like this, I'm not going to eat anything or drink anything or even behave or act or do anything. Your job to clean homes is totally halal. Now, if there is the possibility of being in seclusion, simply reject the job or indicate beforehand that up front that, listen, I'm a guy, I can only be alone with a guy, or I can be alone in an empty house, or when there are more than one lady, but I can't be alone with a lady in the house. So this may limit your possibilities of getting a job, but alhamdulillah, whatever jobs you get, inshallah, it would be halal.